indigo glow of dawn. The night was warm in the gentle glade. I wandered by the stream until I came to rest beneath the old oak. Then, as I awoke, entangled within the weave of a tapestry of stars, slowly unstitching into the indigo glow of dawn. The cold morning. Lost in a dream, a breath away from silence, captured within the heartbeat of the night. Softly we stir, slowly we merge with the dawn, and from winter's tree a chorus of ravens cry. Coated in frost, blanketed in silver mist, the cold morning beckoned the new day. Twilight wonder. As the sunset beckons night, so the moon brings forth delight. A crystal shimmer of diamond dust, this twilight wonder melting gold into rust. A moment captured as if time had slowed, an instant eternal on an endless road. Stars dance through moonbeams, and in the distance between a whisper and dream,